If you live anywhere where the power tends to go out of your house, you need to have a generator. And no, it doesn't have to be a gigantic one to be able to run everything you need in your house. I've been able to do everything I need with this little 3,750 watt Husky. Alright YouTube, welcome back to the shop. Out here today, just had this out of my truck. Actually, I have to reload it into my truck for work. I just wanted to give a quick shout out to this little guy. I've had this Husky generator for 12, 14, 15 years maybe. The only thing I've ever had to do to it was replace the carburetor on it because it got kind of gummed up. But I just wanted to say that this thing saved my hide the other day. I was sick with the plague and I didn't want to have to really do a lot of moving when we had a storm come through. Took out our power, so I had no choice but to come out here, grab the generator out, rolled up onto my patio, fire it up. I was able to run everything in the house. The key is not to use these little 20 amp, 120 volt outlets. The key is to use the 240 30 amp. And how you do that is you have one of these. This is an adapter that you plug in and it splits. So now you can run your 120 off of the full 30 amp main breaker. I was able to run a chest freezer and a refrigerator I have on the house garage, the refrigerator inside the house. I ran a quartz heater, which is 1500 watts. I ran several LED lights in lamps. Our television was on, our cable box was on, and our router was on. Ran everything without any problem here. So do you need a giant generator to run things in your house? No. If you have a bigger one and you have it actually wired up with a disconnect in your house, you can run basically everything if you needed to. I wasn't trying to do that. I just wanted to weather the storm, literally. So this thing was $300 when I picked it up at Home Depot. They don't really come much smaller than this. Husky, I don't believe, makes these anymore, but you can find about the same size generator for around $350, I think. Maybe even cheaper if you look. And this was new. Obviously, you'd be able to find one used. But the only thing this has is the 30 amp breaker to use. Like I said, I don't like these. They won't even run my saw at a job site, and that's only a 15 amp saw. Just the draw on everything is a little weird. But when you run off the 220, you can get everything you need. This thing will probably give you 8 hours of run time on a full tank of gas. So I can't complain. If you don't have a generator because you thought you had to have a giant one or a whole house Generac or something like that, I gotta say you don't need that. Get yourself a small generator that's got the 220, get your adapter cord so you can run your 110, 120 volt off of it. And man, this thing saved my hide several times, and it was just the other day when I wasn't feeling well. It made it really easy just to pull this thing out, fire it up, plug some things in. I could sit back down in my living room in front of the heater, stay warm, and ride it out while we were waiting for our power to come back on. I'm not going to get into the details about the generator. This thing has been a little workhorse. Like I said, I don't think Husky makes them anymore. But look around out there. I cannot recommend enough that you have some type of generator if you're anywhere where the power tends to go out. So, you know, this channel is all about being self-sufficient. This definitely helps in self-sufficiency. So I got to load this thing back in my truck because I am using it on the job site where it runs my Porter cable compressor and it runs my 15 amp Makita Saw without any problem. I can charge batteries the whole time while I'm at it. So I'm going to stuff this back in my truck. I've got some other things to get to. Just wanted to make this quick video to let you guys know that all you really need is some type of generator. Don't hesitate. Go get one. Winter's coming. People are going to deal with storms. All right. You guys go out and get prepared with your new generators, and I will catch you on the next video.
hire some help.